Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Caillou and the Big Slide. Caillou and his daddy were spending the afternoon at the playground. Caillou loved the swing, especially when Daddy pushed. "Higher, Daddy, higher!" Caillou shouted. From his swing, Caillou saw Clementine. Caillou loved playing with Clementine. Whenever they played on the train, she let him be the engineer. "Let's go down the slide," Clementine suggested. "Let's go down the big slide. It's much more fun." Caillou and Clementine ran over to the big kids area. Caillou stopped in front of the slide and stared up in surprise. It looked so high. Caillou was afraid to climb up. Caillou looked around at the playground and saw the play tunnels. The large, brightly colored tubes didn't look nearly as scary. "Let's play in the tunnels first," Caillou suggested. "Okay," said Clementine. "Try and catch me." Daddy was sitting on the bench, watching Caillou and Clementine play. "Caillou, we'll have to go home soon," Daddy said, looking at his watch. "Let's go down the slide," Clementine said. "You first," Caillou said. Clementine climbed up and pushed herself off at the top and was at the bottom before she had time to shout, "Whee!" "That was fun," she exclaimed. "Now it's your turn." Okay, Caillou mumbled. Caillou climbed up slowly, clinging to the handles and repeating, "I'm not scared. I'm not scared." But when he reached the top, he was shaking with fear. Clementine looked very small to him, way down at the bottom of the slide. He could hardly hear her shouting, "Slide, Caillou, slide." Caillou was terrified. He couldn't move. "Daddy, Daddy," he cried. Clementine told Caillou's daddy, "I think Caillou's scared." "I wasn't scared a bit," she said. "You're a big girl, Clementine. You can do lots of things." Daddy climbed the ladder. This slide is pretty high, isn't it?" Caillou nodded. "I know what we can do, Caillou. Let's go down together. It'll be fun, you'll see." Daddy held Caillou's hand. "Are you ready, Caillou?" "Ready, Daddy." 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Caillou was thrilled. "Did you see that, Clementine? I came down the big slide. I came down all by myself," she told him. "So can I," Caillou insisted. "I'm not scared anymore." Caillou climbed back up and whizzed down the slide, shouting, "Look at me!" "Good for you, Caillou," Daddy said. "I'm proud of you. You're a big boy." "It's time to go home now. Just one more time, please, Daddy." Caillou ran back to the ladder with Clementine close behind. 1, 2, 3, whee! And of course, that wasn't the last one more time. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover, kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.